What's up, guys? We are back. We are at the Fives Resort and Residence in Playa, Carmen, Mexico. Come on in.
Alright, over here we got like a full-on kitchen with a refrigerator, kitchen, stove, oven, and like other cabinets.
Alright, then working our way over here, we got a small dining living room type thing. I guess this would be our dining room, this would be our living room. This turns into a bed. We have a little seat right there. And then this is our first balcony. Alright, opening these doors, we have the main bed, I guess you could say. And the balcony as well, which connects to that right there. But we have a TV, and then we got the restroom. So that's the toilet, this is the shower. And then on this side we have like the hangers, so it's basically a closet.
Can you open that?
Yep. And there we got our stuff in there. Alright, then working our way back towards the front of the room. And then up the stairs.
Moving on to over here, we have like lawn chairs and like living space, and like a sofa. Like a bed and the sofa, a jacuzzi, and like restrooms, and then a grill.
You have a grill?
What is it?
Yeah, it's a grill.
A grill.
I guess it's a grill. This is a penthouse, so not every room is like this. Like, if you look out, like across the other rooms, some of them are like this, but not all of them.
Yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.